in-office bleaching is for someone who wants that change in their smile right away, the same day. You know, you go from a dark shade to a really, really light color in just 45 minutes, probably even less. And the home take kit is for someone who has light teeth and they just want to retouch or want to control it and just do little by little. Both options are great.
You already have a great smile, so let's brighten it up. There are some exciting new teeth whitening technologies that painlessly remove deep coffee, cigarette, or other set-in stains. It really lightens the shade of your teeth and assists in restoring a younger, healthier-looking smile. We are excited to have the opportunity to serve you. Be sure to let us know if you have any questions about teeth whitening. Please take advantage of our new patient special by calling today and mentioning the offer below.